Yeah, so I was home last week. I fished sunrise, and here you go, another one. Another little guy. This one took a little nymph up top. Last one took the fob. This one took a nymph. Yeah, we were home last week. Sunrise. I was there one day. It was super windy, but I ended up figuring out a little pattern on the fish the day I was there, like just late, right before the wind got bad. Because if you're from Arizona and you fish sunrise, you know the wind can get pretty bad, get pretty crazy. So it ended up getting really bad, and so yeah, it got pretty bad. But I did figure a little pattern out the last 30 minutes of fishing, and which was good. So I kind of knew what I was going to do going in there the next day. So a few days later, went back with my dad. We were out on a boat, and we had a really good day. And it was honestly one of the best days ever fly fishing. Like maybe 1 in 10-year day, maybe even bigger, maybe like the best day ever. Just days like that just really don't happen much. I fish a lot, so I spent a lot of days on lakes that are supposed to be really world-class lakes and struggle to catch fish. But so it was pretty amazing when you go out to a lake that you've been fishing your whole life and you live within an hour away from it, grew up within an hour away from it, and fished there a ton. And then growing up and being able to fish all over the country and living in Colorado and seeing a bunch of different lakes everywhere from New York to Oregon, and then to go on your home lake like Sunrise and just have a day like we did. We had a really good day. But we're already like an hour and a half into today's session. Only got one so far. Dad's got 3, hooked into a few others, and had a few break-offs. So yeah, we're out fishing loch style, fishing midges mainly. So starting off with midges and fishing up high in the water column and doing really well, catching some nice fish. I'm not gonna have the POV view today. I don't have my chest pack on me, but everything will be from far away, or either I'll just start filming once we get the fish. So yeah, hopefully we can get some more of the big fish we've been catching on camera, and we'll get started. And after the end of the day, I'll show you guys what I've been using to catch the fish. Too? Yeah. Really quick. Oh, come on, fish. All right, yeah. Fish. Dad's got a fish too. Here you go. Oh, and that's the biggest of the day, probably. Damn. Jumped good. Not super long, it's like maybe 16, but it's healthy. Good eating. Some squirming, straight out the camera. There you go, another fat fish. It seems like they swim around in pods or something, huh?
Yeah.
Because we'll both get into them at the same time. There you go. Camera. Man, that rod was bending good, man. Damn, this area's a lot better than up there. Oh. Did you see that? But yeah, sunrise was amazing, really. Can't really have I fished a ton, and like I said, I don't have many better days than that. It was really good. We fished pretty much till dark. But nymphs were the key, and the washing line method was working. Straight nymphing. So straight nymphing caught a lot. My dad was straight nymphing. The washing line was another huge one. One thing, I think the straight nymphing for me, like early in the morning, I was fishing a washing line, caught a bunch, and then they kind of slowed down, so I went to straight nymphing. But it's a lot easier way to fish with when you're fishing loch style, because you're moving towards the fly, so a little bit more active way to fish the nymphs, I think, for me anyway. So washing line. So yeah, like I said, you're watching me fish washing line right now, similar to what I did that day. And all I'm doing is I'm basically, if you see my hands, they're kind of moving, but all I'm doing really is I'm picking up the slack of the boat, slack of the speed the boat's pushing us. So here we go. Got another one on. So I took the fob.